Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing something I have been really wanting to install on my 1987 Turbo 2 FC. One thing I've really been wanting to add to the car in all of my vehicles is a dash cam. So this is the Mini 5. I will put a link in the description. This camera is a 4K camera and I really love the packaging that they did. It just looks really clean when you open it, and the camera is super small compared to a lot of dash cams. It also comes with everything that you're going to need to install it, including all the wires. They also have a hardwire kit that's really nice because it just directly plugs into a existing fuse. So we have a cigarette lighter adapter if you just want to do it that way and not hardwire it. And then it also comes with this nice bone pick. So if you ever need to do some stuff to your car and pull some trim apart, you can throw this in your toolbox and use it multiple times. These little stick-on pieces, you stick this onto the windshield first. So if you ever want to remove the camera, it's really simple and it shows you all the instructions of how to install this. And they also give you an extra piece of 3M sticky or double-sided tape. So if you mess up, you can start all over again. Or if you want to move it to a different car, you can also, or you can just order one of these extra mounts and then just move the dash cam from car to car. Now what I need to do is clean the spot, and I'm just going to clean the whole windshield. Right here is an electrostatic sticker to go in between the glass and the dash cam, and all you have to do is peel this tab here and stick it on the windshield. It shows you exactly where you should be sticking it, just right below the rear view mirror. And since the FC has quite a drastic swoop to the glass, I'm going to stick it a little bit higher, so then I won't be able to. Right here, it'll be kind of out of sight, out of mind. And all you do is line the mount up with the dotted lines. It's really easy. Flips directly in to the mount, and it's a really nice tight fit. Going to use the attachment for the cigarette lighter, or you can hardwire this, and this has Sentry mode, so when you're away from your car it will still record if anything happens, and then you can go back and then play the footage to see what was going on or what people were doing, kind of like a Tesla but without the 360 cam. Now for the hardwire part of the kit on the dash cam, this kit comes with the adapter. This plugs in to the USB port on the dash cam, and then it has these nice little fuse replacements, and you just plug it into one of your existing fuses, the right amperage, and it's really clean to install it, just kind of like a piggyback system. To run the cable really nice and clean, you're just going to plug it in to the dash cam like so, and then I'm going to just tuck it up in this trim up here, and then all the way down to the fuse box, which is in the kick panel. These are pretty cool, but I might just wire it into the radio so everything turns on with the radio, because this is going to be over the fuse box, and these fuses are really tight in here. So if you're going to use these, the back one is the new fuse that comes with it, and the front fuse is for your original fuse for that circuit that you pull it out of. So you want to do the red as the ACC and the yellow as the 12-volt positive. I now have the hardwire kit ran up into this piece of trim, and then it's going to come down this piece of trim. The only bad thing about old cars is I unclipped it and it pretty much broke every tab, so I'm going to have to find this piece. I wanted to get them in black anyway, but just be careful on older vehicles because those will probably break even if you're using the correct tool. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this end off so I can feed it down through, and I'm going to end up wiring it into the stereo when I install a stereo. Another thing that's an issue when installing the dash cam is this thing right here. I'm guessing it's a fuse, but it's too large when you're trying to feed your wire down this way. So you have to feed your wire up, which is a big pain. Most likely all dashes aren't going to be like that, but on older JDM cars, the fit between the dash and this pillar is really, really tight. All right, so everything's wired in, sort of, and let's see if she powers up.
Hello, Ding Ding Pie.
What? So, looks like it works. I need to connect it to my phone to see, to set it up. So just install the app, it's DDPAI. Open the app. There's always these terms. Who reads those? Probably should, but precise. While using it. So add a new device. I need to turn the ignition on. I probably could just go in accessory. Yes, it works. Okay. Oh, I guess you have to allow it. No screen dash cam is the one we're doing. Power it on. We have it powered on. Connect to Wi-Fi. Let's see. Wi-Fi. Connect to the Wi-Fi. I have no clue what the password is. The default password is in the booklet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 0. Connect only this time. I don't know. It has. Does it have G's and degrees in here? It has the time. It has the miles per hour. This isn't bad. This is actually probably a good dash cam to use to record like at the track. Look at all this data that they give you. Current speed, degrees, max speed, mileage, current elevation, average speed, your G meter. Man, this thing is not too bad. There's a few different things you could do now. There's capture, and then whatever emergency instances it has, it'll log in this area right here. So you could do these quick settings on your phone. Sensitivity mode, middle. I don't even know what like the difference would be. You can monitor hardwired. It's going to cause a parasitic draw on your battery though. I'm not sure what, how much, but if you leave your car parked at an airport, I probably wouldn't do 24 hours. We'll do like a 1-ish hour. Done with that. More settings. Speaker volume. Okay. 4K video. That's going to be great at the track. Dormancy. Device will wake up in an emergency event. That's not bad. The normal recording gets you full video, but just keeps overriding. Shows the vehicle battery voltage. That's awesome. Oh, it cuts it if it gets below, I would say, I guess 12 volts is fine, but you could 12.4 on V8s is probably the minimum. Dashcam storage is 57 gigs. Wow. I mean, that's not a lot in today's standards, but I mean, that's quite a bit for a cheap dash cam. So I'm pretty excited that I now have a dash cam installed in the FC because I do drive the car quite a bit. I don't show it in videos all the time because usually I'm just daily driving it and it's not video worthy. A lot of people ask me, where has the FC been? I drive her quite a bit, at least 3 times a week. But once it gets pretty hot in the summer, I usually just drive it at night. But there's so many good features of this dash cam. I mean, it has a lot of overlays that you can download directly into your videos like I showed. And it's just really cool because if you're at the track and you need some video in 4K, it's just an extra camera that you can use and utilize, and then you don't have to have so many additional GoPros. Plus it's in the car, plus it's catching audio, it has GPS, I mean, you can overlay a map. It actually has quite a few good features that you can use besides it being a dash cam and just for trying to get accidents or someone doing something stupid to your car. But if you like these videos, make sure to click the subscribe button, throw a thumbs up, throw a comment below. As always, see you guys next time.